Okay, what's up, guys? So today we're gonna be getting adopted. We're gonna be testing an experiment. Yeah, me and my boy Fusion here. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to official XI Fusion. No, okay, okay. Actually, his like thing. He wants me to say like XI Fusion. So yeah, sorry, my bad. I messed it up. Okay, so so I'm just rolling him in the thing right now. We're talking on the phone at the same time. So. Oh my gosh. Oh, uh-oh. Here's the people that here's the people that want to adopt me. Yo, can we like get adopted? Let's say something. Can get in, you two. You just left your kids here. What a horrible parent you are. Can we be in the family? In the family? You're both wow. Grounded. See? Family? Can we be in the family? Hey, that's pretty lit though. Okay, so we're just basically seeing what they're gonna do. I don't even sure how many people me and this little guy. Me and this guy. Me and this guy. You little guy. Little guy. Little guy. I'm in a wagon. Boy, you know what? Dude, okay, I'll check the rooms. Okay, okay, follow. I'll check the rooms. Okay, let's go. Yo, we're actually getting adopted though. Yo, for real. Bro, you just gonna ground your kid like that? He got a strict father, bro. He got a strict. Bro, they just left her there, dude. They just left her there. Yo, why would you just leave your kid there? Why would you just leave your kid there? This is just sad. I don't even get it. Okay. The little guy in a whack dad. This must be the team. Okay. He in a wagon. He in a wagon. He, dad. Who exactly? Look at him. Your sister are grounded. Yes. Okay. He just said this is a pretty ugly house. He should just said this is a pretty ugly house. Wow. And then he's like, I don't know what you're talking about. Dang. I'm ready to go to college. Okay. Please drive home. Get in, son. He's like, no one loves you. Wow. So, Dad, I'm gonna see if I can. So, yeah. Oh, where the rooms at? Where the rooms at? Where, where the rooms at? Where the rooms at? Where the rooms at? Where the rooms at? Yo, see, look at him. He's in the stroller. Doesn't he look cool? See, see. Look at him. Do you not see him? He's just in a stroller. He- bro, he's like, one sec. Can we have my room? Can he have my room too? Wow. She's just one father. Dude, is he just one single father? Girls, go to your room. I'll talk to you in a second. Oh, his dad is the boss, baby. He is the boss. He's the boss around here. He's the boss, man. Follow. He said follow. I guess it's okay to call him son. Well, us little guys. Oh, hey. Hey, see, look at him. Okay, I'm gonna have to put you up. So, old. Okay. Okay, thanks, Dad. But, hi. Oh. Hmm. No problem. And the younger ones is downstairs. Okay. Okay, then. Bro, look at him. Doesn't he look cool? She's just gonna turn on the TV for me. I guess I'm supposed to. Man, he's just in the wagon. Okay, I'm done with. How is he done with college? Okay, little guy. You wagon gone. I'm going to put you down on this bed. There you go. Cut. Oh, Dad. What's up, Dad? What's up? Okay, he back. Okay, Fusion back with his little self. He's like high. Okay, let's see. I mean, that looking pretty strict though. She's trying to feed the baby. Take it. Girls, I could talk to you both about ditching school. What's up? Wow, so they ditched school, guys. So Tiger Cookie's just sleep. Feed it to your bro. Okay. She's not even. Okay. Just give it to me. Give, give it to me. Oh wait, this must be the mom. Bedtime. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Okay. He's like, okay, okay. So I guess we're supposed to go to bed now. Uh, I need guests, Dad. I need guests, Dad. Wow. So this must be my like tall sister or something. But him, get some rest. You go to sleep. Can you guys join the fam? Yeah. I did. Yeah. You here? It won't let me. Send the invite. I can't even do anything. And it won't let me sleep. Girls, bed. What do you want, Dad? Yo, back talking to your dad. What do you want? Dang. Sassy attitude. Yo, so he just stuck his head. I like to see you like this, dude. I'm supposed to be going to bed? Well, I'm escaping without him, bro. I know. It's like so bad. It's bad here. Yo, it's bad here. Yo. Yo, it's bad here. Get in your room. Come on, baby Fusion. We gotta escape. It's not safe for us. Yeah, I gotta go. Yo, how did you get here? No, you just addicted it. Come on, let's go. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Come on. We gotta go. Oh, you just gonna let him sleep right here? We can't put him in here because you didn't give us permits. We did. Okay. Place fusion? Alright. So I guess we're done. Okay. Oh my gosh. I need roommate. I need roommate. Yeah, cause then I could just. I need roommate. Wow. Wow, then she's a baby now. Why are you sitting? Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm done. I'm done. I'm grabbing fusion and we're leaving. Yo, he's just sitting here watching on the couch. You silly. Yo, 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 it's dark. Yo, whoa, yo, give me, bro. What are you doing? We just. Okay, I'm out of here. I guess. Do we need to start the video over again, or was this good? Huh? Okay. The fitness. Yo, did you just say what? Ah! Did you just see what happened, bro? Bam! Yeah. Bye. 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 Yeah. Bye. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video, though. We're gonna be leaving this house. We're unadopted now, cause if you don't get out the bed right now, bro. Oh, she just opened the, oh, I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I ain't never going back to that house again. Bye.